Hi, my name is Robin. I'm Georgie's mum and I grew up in South Africa. This dish, Bobotie, was a dish that my mother learnt to make, and all my friends' mothers made it, and everyone has a variation, but this is a very old recipe, and I think it stems back to Cape Malay or Dutch, and it's a mixture of savoury and sweet, and it comes out zesty and zingy, and oh yum. So firstly we're going to saute the onions until they're golden, and then we're going to add the spices, the garlic, the curry powder, the turmeric, cumin and the mixed herbs. So now we're going to soak the bread, or if we're in South Africa it would be die brood, in a cup of milk. So I'm going to take the chutney and the apricot jam, tomato paste, the lemon zest, and I'm going to put half the lemon juice in to start with. Oh, lekker. Now we're going to squeeze the milk from the bread. So now we're going to put the bread into the mince mixture. I'm going to put my gemors, my mess of food, if I can pick it up, into an oven-proof dish. Okay, so I've just poured the remainder of the milk into the bowl that I soaked the bread in. Then I'm going to put it in this milk and beat it as if I was making, well in fact I am making custard, because there's still bits of bread and everything in there. And the custard we've just made, then put it in the oven. And we're going to leave that to cook. Because South Africa is multicultural, the food influences come from all over the world. If you think back to the people who came to South Africa were French, they were Dutch, they were English. The Indian food, our Indian restaurants are just magnificent. I have not come across many in Australia that have that diversity. So you get German restaurants and German dishes. And there's Italians, so you get the Italian influence. So my kitchen now smells just like South Africa, like Mum's kitchen when I was growing up. I'm going to have a little sneaky taste before I dish it up. It tastes like